Thank you for your assistance.
Don't name me!
Mr. Satan.
Kids, when you're done with them, draw and quarter that buffoon.
Oh.
As for you, I'm surprised you're still... Well, I was going to say kicking, but...
Gohan.
Alright, fine, then you talk to him, Jesus.
What are you...
Grow up.
Huh?
You act like you are the only one suffering. But I believe that Trunks has some stories for you. And I can assume they all end with, and then he died too. And before you start whining about your father, again, and I get it, take a moment to consider that my father made me a soulless killing machine to kill your father. And that doesn't even come close to the complete tragedy of fatherhood that is Vegeta.
You want to come up here and say that?
I am ahead.
Then maybe you should quit while you are.
Cell was right. You think you're better than everyone else, but there you stand. The good man doing nothing. And while evil triumphs and your rigid pacifism crumbles into blood-stained dust, the only victory afforded to you is that you stuck true to your guns. You were a coward, to your last whimper. Of fear and love, I fear not that I will die, but that all I have come to love, the birds, and the things that are not birds, will perish with me. So please, Gohan, stop holding back. And hey, if we do make it out of this, please pick up my head and beat your father to death with...
I'd say he's gone to a better place, but... we both know he never had a soul.
Revealing such an evil soul.
Go on.